Average Guy DIY Garage. We're going to put these
in here, so you can have a Fire TV like this.
If you want to check out how to install this lockpick and Firestick on the 8.4 Uconnect, you can obviously check out this video up here. Or you can just check the playlist at the end.
Inside the box, my sales receipt, 13 Durango lockpick, instructions, and the lockpick. Pretty cool. The brains right here. The lockpick. Here goes your inputs to your stereo harness. This stuff over here goes into the back of stereo. You do all kinds of crazy stuff with this thing. Chassis ground, reverse backup camera, cargo camera, audio video input, RCA, reverse backup camera 12 volt, front camera 12 volt, audio video 12 volt constant battery out, ignition switch power, chassis ground. Super easy to use. Step one to this install is removing this bezel here around the radio. I've never done it, but I'm assuming back up in here, take out all my wife's debit card and crap. See them back there? 1, 2. I gotta get those out first.
Let's go ahead and unplug all this and get it out of our way.
We got 4 screws to the Uconnect here. Got our Uconnect out. Now we are going to unplug all those plugs back there. Uh-oh. We got this guy tucked back there. We got everything out that we still need that goes back of the stereo. These are the original 3 cables that go to the back of the stereo. The lockpick has been plugged into the plugs back there. These are the lockpick plugs that'll go back into the back of the stereo. This is the plug for the lockpick. We can shove the lockpick back up in there too. The other things we got hanging out are our audio video cables. You need power to power the Firestick and also power the HDMI converter. So we got this little guy here. The lockpick here has, we pulled them out. We got chassis and ground right here. We got power. Alright, here's what we got. We got our Firestick here, our converter, and our cables. They're all ran through the glove box over there. There's a hole through the center side. You can go, this is all going to sit over here in the glove box. Now we can plug these 2 into the back of the stereo and see if it works. Yes, it works!
A little bit of YouTube for you. Just look down there and like and subscribe for me. We'll be doing more of these install videos and getting back to the Average Guy Garage stuff. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks all.